everyone. We are doing a project for the Wildwood School. We're having a weeding party. We're part of the Villages Cricut Club. So we're at Cindy Bettis's house.
Hi.
And can you tell us what we're doing?
And I approached the people at the Wildwood Elementary School. The teachers got all excited and want us to put quotes of inspiration on their doors. So we have gotten most of our cutting done. We've got four projects going right now. 3 of them are for doors, like 36 by 36, and 1 of them is 30 feet long. So we've weeded, and now we're getting ready to put it on transfer paper.
Okay, what is this gonna say, Cindy?
This is going to say, I am invincible, unbreakable, unstoppable, unshakable. They knock me down, I get up again, I am the champion, from Carrie Underwood's song. The elementary school uses that as a motivational tool.
Awesome. So this big one is 30 feet long and it's gonna go in the cafeteria.
Above windows.
Yeah. How are you guys doing over here?
We're doing good. We're making the paws because that's the school's logo, paws. So these are the inside of the paws. This is part of their colors.
It's a little tricky because there are 3 layers.
3 layers, a blue, a white, and a black. This is the blue, it'll be the inside of the paw.
Awesome. How are you doing, Trish?
I'm doing as best as I can be because I'm not really good at weeding at this point. But this is going to go on a door and it's going to say, character is what you do when no one is looking.
That's awesome.
So it's going to go on one of the doors in the elementary school, and we're happy to do it for them.
Awesome. We have more projects. So we have Jean and Pat over here.
That's fine.
Here,
There was 2 little ones in there.
Okay, I missed those.
And look over there at the food that Cindy put out.
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna go show the food. It is amazing. I never had bacon on deviled eggs, and it's delicious.
And Dunkin' Donuts messed up my order, so they gave us more donut holes.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
So basically what this is for is that tells me it's the
All right, we're gonna show more as we put it up on the walls too.
Did you get this project, the Great Habits Make Great Leaders?
Oh, here's another project. Great habits make great leaders. Here's Jean and Trish starting to put up the first project on a door in the office. This is a walkway near the office where all the kids see it every day. This is Jean, Cindy, and Trish putting this up. Great habits make great leaders. Very inspirational. This is on their bathroom door. And be the reason someone smiles today. Now this is one of the teachers at the school who is helping us for insurance reasons. An employee of the school had to put it up on the wall. And he's measuring to get it straight. This word is gonna be champions, but we're just doing parts of a word at a time. Has everybody look at it. They think it looks a little high. We had a problem because this window is not even with that window, and we were measuring from the window. So then it became more difficult. And here's a trick that we do. He uses a tennis ball because this is a little bit of a textured wall, and pushes down on the letters with a tennis ball. And then he takes a knife and cuts the transfer paper, so he can pull one off at a time, because trying to pull it all off a textured wall is more difficult. So he's using a scraper. And then pulling the transfer paper off. And we found out this is much easier than trying to do the whole word at once and pulling the transfer paper off. It was much easier to do one letter at a time, especially with these big letters. And here's the other words we did. This is going to be 30 feet long. It says, I am invincible, unbreakable, unstoppable, unshakable. They knock me down. I get up again. I am the champion. And this is not a quick job. So he's on the last word, and we were here the other day and we did the first half from there all the way to unstoppable, and that pause, the center point. We started at that center point and went to the left, and that took over 2 hours. So this one is only taking about an hour and a half now that we know the tricks. It'll probably be an hour and 45 minutes by the time we're done. Here is the finished project in the cafeteria. I think it turned out great. Thank you to everyone who helped. Here are some extra pictures from our weeding party. These are volunteers from the Villages Cricut Club, and all of the vinyl was donated by Cricut. We thank you everybody for volunteering and doing this project for these kids. Here are a few more pictures that they have done since then. Thank you to all of the Cricut Club volunteers for helping out the Wildwood School with some inspiration.